Hey, what's up everyone? It's your name here, and let's be real. We all wish we could make money online. You see those ads about quitting your 9 to 5, traveling the world, and you're stuck thinking, how do they actually do it? Well, what if I told you that you don't need a ton of money, a fancy degree, or even any experience to get started? That's right. Today, I'm going to break down 4 incredible online businesses that you can start with absolutely zero investment. We're talking about building a real, sustainable income, all from your laptop. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, being consistent, and watching your efforts pay off big time. So if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom, buckle up, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about one of my favorite business models, drop servicing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is drop servicing? Well, it's essentially being the middleman or woman between clients who need a service and freelancers who can provide it. It's like having your own agency, but without the overhead. Think about it. Businesses are always looking for help with things like social media management, content writing, graphic design, video editing, the list goes on. The beauty of drop servicing is that you don't need to be an expert in any of these fields yourself. Here's how it works. You find clients who need a service, you outsource the work to a freelancer, and you keep the difference in price. Let's say a client needs a logo designed. You find a freelance graphic designer on a platform like Fiverr who charges $50 for a logo. You then charge your client $100 for the same logo. You've just made a $50 profit without designing a single thing. But Graham, how do I actually find clients? Great question. There are tons of ways to find clients online. You can start by networking on LinkedIn, joining Facebook groups related to your niche, or even cold emailing businesses. And trust me, cold emailing works. When I first started out, I booked my first 3 clients from a single cold email campaign. Once you start getting some clients, you can streamline your process by creating packages and using tools like Dubsado or Honeybook to manage invoices and contracts. The goal is to automate as much as possible so you can focus on finding more clients and scaling your business. And the best part is, you can scale this business to 6 figures and beyond. I know people making millions of dollars a year with drop servicing. It's all about finding the right niche, providing excellent customer service, and consistently delivering high-quality work through your freelancers. Next, let's dive into the world of digital products. This business model is all about leveraging your knowledge, skills, or experience to create something valuable that people can download and consume instantly. The beauty of digital products is that they're incredibly scalable. Once you create it, you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort. Talk about passive income. So, what kind of digital products can you create? The possibilities are truly endless. You could create ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, website themes, the list goes on. The key is to identify a problem that your target audience is facing and create a solution in the form of a digital product. Let's say you're a fitness enthusiast. You could create a digital product like a workout plan, a meal prep guide, or even an online course on how to build muscle. Or maybe you're a whiz at using Excel. You could create templates for budgeting, financial planning, or even project management. Once you have your digital product ready, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Podia, or even your own website. These platforms make it super easy to upload your products, set your prices, and start selling immediately. And the best part is, they handle all the technical stuff like payment processing and delivery, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. But how do you actually get people to buy your digital products? Well, it all comes down to marketing. You need to get the word out there and let people know that your awesome product exists. You can do this by building an email list, leveraging social media, collaborating with influencers, or even running paid ads. The key is to be creative, experiment with different strategies, and see what works best for you. And just like with drop servicing, you can scale this business to 6 figures and beyond. I know people making millions of dollars a year selling digital products. It's all about finding the right product, marketing it effectively, and providing exceptional value to your customers. Now let's talk about a business model that's been absolutely exploding in popularity lately, print on demand. This is perfect if you're a creative person, or if you just love the idea of having your own merch line. With print on demand, you can design and sell custom products without ever having to hold any inventory. It's like having your own online store, but without the hassle of shipping or handling. Here's how it works. You create a design, you upload it to a print-on-demand platform, and then they handle the rest. When someone places an order, the platform prints your design on the product, packages it up, and ships it directly to the customer. You literally don't have to lift a finger. But what kind of products can you sell with print on demand? Well, pretty much anything you can think of. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, wall art, the list goes on and on. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and create designs that resonate with that audience. For example, let's say you're a huge dog lover. You could create a line of t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags featuring adorable dog designs. Or maybe you're really into astrology. You could create phone cases, wall art, and even throw pillows with unique zodiac designs. Once you have your designs ready, you can upload them to platforms like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. These platforms integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it super easy to start selling your products online. And just like with the other business models we've discussed, you can scale print on demand to 6 figures and beyond. I know people making millions of dollars a year selling print on demand products. It's all about creating high quality designs, marketing them effectively, and providing excellent customer service. Last but not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to monetize your audience, whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even just a large social media following. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products or services that you love and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program, you get your unique affiliate link, and then you start promoting the product or service to your audience. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. But what kind of products or services can you promote as an affiliate? Well, pretty much anything. Amazon, for example, has an affiliate program for just about every product imaginable. You can also find affiliate programs for software, online courses, web hosting, and even physical products. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and only recommend products or services that you genuinely believe in. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away, so it's important to be genuine and only promote products that you would actually use yourself. Once you've found some great products or services to promote, you need to find creative ways to incorporate your affiliate links into your content. You can do this by writing product reviews, creating tutorial videos, or even just mentioning the product or service in passing. And just like with the other business models we've discussed, you can scale affiliate marketing to 6 figures and beyond. I know people making millions of dollars a year from affiliate marketing. It's all about finding the right products to promote, building trust with your audience, and creating high-quality content that converts. So there you have it, 4 incredible online businesses that you can start today with absolutely zero investment. The best part is, you can choose the one that best suits your skills, interests, and goals. Whether you're a creative person, a tech whiz, or just someone who's passionate about a particular niche, there's an online business model out there for you. Remember, starting an online business takes time, effort, and dedication. It's not about getting rich quickly. It's about building something sustainable, something you're proud of, and something that can generate you passive income for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Choose your business model, take action, and start building your dream online business today. And hey, I want to hear from you. Which one of these businesses are you most excited to start? Let me know in the comments below and let's make it happen. These 4 businesses, drop servicing, digital products, print on demand, and affiliate marketing, are some of the easiest ways to start earning online. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and always focus on value. Which one excites you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it.